Hello, Mr. Bao.
Hello, teacher.
Good evening, Mr. Bao. I hope you're okay.
Okay.
Was it a busy day for you?
Yes, today I'm busy.
Okay, so please make yourself comfortable and we will start right away, Mr. Bao. For a moment, let me share my screen and we'll have a quick review first of the words that we've talked about. Yeah, last, yesterday. Okay, now can you tell me again what it means when we say naughty?
Um, Now the uh,
Can you still remember
now
it, Mr. Bao?
now the badly.
Okay, behaving badly or misbehaving or disobedient. It is the opposite of well behaved. What about good natured?
Good nature is friendly and kind.
Okay, yes, that is correct, Mr. Bao. Okay, now what about gentle?
Gentle is uh, gentle is kind and carefulness anything.
Okay, yes, not harsh. Okay, good thing that you're able to remember it all, Mr. Bao. Now let us have the continuation. Can you tell me what it means when we say walk?
What what is what is what?
Okay, so when we say walk, it means um, to move on foot, okay, or to take for a walk, to go for a walk with a pet, okay, that is walk. I don't have time to walk my dog today. Okay, now last one, we have cuddle.
Phút đủ um, phút đủ I don't speak by English.
Oh, you don't know how to express your ideas in English. Okay, so now when we say cuddle, it means to hold someone or something close to your body, or basically, it means you're going to hug it. Okay, hug or
Yes.
cuddle. The little girl cuddled her teddy bear. Okay, hug something or someone. Okay, so now let us practice. And in here, Mr. Bao, all you have to do is to fill in the blanks using the words above. Okay, now let us start with the first one. You can't blank a dog. What can't you do with a dog?
Um, you can
You can't?
you can uh, you can ride a dog.
Okay, yes. Oh, by the way, Mr. Bao, you can repeat your answers here. Okay, now what about for the second one? You can blank a horse.
You can ride a horse.
Okay, for three.
You can you can ride a cat.
Okay, and for 4?
You can feed a goldfish.
Okay, a goldfish. What about 5?
Um, you you can ride a hamster.
And the last one?
You you can ride a hamster. You can ride a bird.
Okay, yes, that is correct, Mr. Rao. Thank you so much for that. Now, let us proceed to exercise 4 dialogue. So, you have to read this one with me and answer some questions afterwards. Okay, let us start. Do you have a pet, Miriam?
Yes, I have a dog called Roof uh,
Rufus.
called Rufus.
What's he like?
Uh, he is black and medium size. He well behave and very good nature. I changed him when he was
Puppy.
puppy.
What do you do with him?
Um, I walk him and feed him every day. I play with him when I get home from work and then cuddle him on the couch while I
Couch.
watch co- course couch while I watch TV on the weekends. I uh, I watch and brush him.
What other pets have you had?
I had two rabbits when I were a kid. They were white, fluffy, and so cute.
What pets would you like to have?
I did uh, love to get a cat someday.
Okay, by the way, Mr. Bao, this is I'd. I'd. It is the contraction of the words I and would. I would love to get a cat someday. Okay, now let us check your understanding. Can you tell me what pet does Miriam have?
Uh, Miriam have a dog.
Okay, yes, Miriam has a dog. What is the name of Miriam's dog?
Uh, mm,
It's called
can you
Rufus. Okay, that is fine, Mr. Bao. It's called Rufus. Okay, now what does Miriam do with her pet on the weekend?
in mm, uh, on the weekend? Miriam watched and brush uh, her dog.
Okay, yes. On the weekend, Miriam washes and brushes Rufus. Okay, in here, Mr. Bao, we will add es to the verb. It's because it is a present simple, which means it is a routine. It's something that she does every weekend. Okay, now, next one. What other pets has Miriam had?
Um, Miriam has two rabbits.
Okay, yes, that is right. In here, Mr. Bao, we will not say has anymore because um she she didn't have it right now. It was before when she was a kid. Okay, so she had two rabbits when she was a kid. Okay, now let us have exercise 5. Complete the sentence. Can you tell me the answer for one?
Do you have a pet?
Okay, that's
Ace.
correct. Yes. What about for 2?
No, I don't have a pet.
Okay. And for 3,
Yes, I have a horse. Uh, I have a horse called Boxer.
okay, yes, it's a called or named boxer. And for 4,
What is she like? A,
okay, yes,
well,
that is correct. What about
uh,
5?
my dog is clever, and good nature.
Well done. And what about for 6?
What do you do with your pet?
Okay, and 7.
What other pet have you had?
Okay, yes, have you had? And for the last one,
I had a fish when I were a
okay.
child.
Yes, when I was a child. Okay, now let us proceed to exercise 6. Fill in the blanks. And here, Mr. Bao, you will be Arisa. Okay, so we have here the answer pool. We have is, had, cold, has, she, cuddle, get, and with. Okay, so now let us start. Do you have a pet, Arisa?
Yes, I have a cat. Uh, e people
Okay, what is the missing word here, Mr. Bao?
has uh I can call it people.
Okay, yes. Cold. Okay, I have a cat cold. Pepper. What is she like?
CEY with blue eye. Uh, she quiet, small, but she have a long and fluffy tail. She is a bit naughty sometimes.
What do you do with her?
I just I just pat and play with her. We uh, we
The term for hug, Mr. Bao. We.
uh, cuddle
Okay, yes,
a lot
cuddle.
too.
What other pets have you had?
I haven't I haven't I haven't has had any other pets.
What pets would you like to have?
Haven't
What pets would you like to have?
I want to I want to has a dog,
It's I want to get a dog.
get a dog.
Okay, now let us have exercise 7 ordering. Put the words into the correct order. Okay, let us start with 1.
I I have a fish called Wanda.
Okay, what about for 2?
Do you have a pet?
Very good. And 3?
She is small and fluffy.
Okay. By the way, Mr. Bao, this is not fluffy, it's fluffy. Fluffy.
Fluffy. Okay,
Yes, and
fluffy.
4. Thank you. 4.
What do you do with him?
Okay, what about 5?
What was your pet like?
What about 6?
I had I had two rabbits when I was two.
Okay, when I was a child. And 7.
I walk my dog.
Last one.
What are the what are the pet? Uh, what are the pet? Uh, what are the pets? Uh, what are the pets have you had?
Okay, yes. Have you had? Okay, now since we're done with this one, let us move on to exercise 8. And in here, it is your turn to ask me these questions.
Do you have a pet?
No, I don't have a pet.
Oh, what do you? What are the pets you? What are the pets have you had? Had?
Well, I had a dog before, a bulldog.
Uh, what were they like?
He was very playful.
What pets would you like to have?
Well, I'd like to have a Pomeranian someday, Mr. Bao, but it's a little pricey. So maybe in the future, if I could afford it. Now, let us proceed to exercise 9, and it is your turn to answer these questions using the language you have learned in this lesson. Do you have a pet?
I don't have. I don't have a pet.
Oh, but what other pets have you had?
I had two cats.
What were they like?
Uh, uh, we uh, they are so cute and has I and had brown and had brown and with uh, blue eyes.
Okay. Very cute cats. And what pets would you like to have?
Uh, I I uh, I would like have cats and dog uh, and lion.
Okay. Really? Okay, maybe one day, Mr. Bo. I think you can do that. Your your child would really be happy. Okay. So now since we're done talking about lesson 12, then let us have lesson 13, and in here we'll talk about your first English class. What was your first English class like, Mr. Bao? What was it like? Was it fun, boring, exciting? How would you describe your first English class? Terrifying?
Uh, what, in fourth English class in fourth English class is very um, very happy and fun.
Oh, okay. I see. Well, that's good. Now, let us have exercise one warm up. Okay, so we have here one on one. Can you tell me what it means? One on one.
One on one is same coaching.
Okay, yeah, same as coaching, but sometimes coaching it includes lots of students, Mr. Bao, but one-on-one, it is learning with a single teacher and just one student, just like in here, just like what we're doing right now. We're having one-on-one online class. Okay, one teacher and one student. Now, next one, we also have in a class.
In a class uh, on people study in one class.
Okay, yes, it means you are learning with a group of students and a teacher, just like what we can see in here. They are learning in a class. Okay, now in school.
In school school uh, student study in school.
Okay, yes, it is where students learn in a physical school building. Okay, in school and online.
Online I don't speak online by English.
Okay, that is fine, Mr. Bao. Okay, so when we say online, it means learning using the internet and yes, using your computer, often from home. Okay, that is online. Now let us practice and tell me what you see in each picture. Okay, what is it?
In a class
This one?
online
Okay, yes,
online
online. What about this?
in a class
Okay, this one.
uh, one on one
Okay, and the last one.
in class in school.
Okay, yes, that is correct in school. Now, among the ways of learning and studying, Mr. Bao, which do you prefer? Learning online, one-on-one, physical, Mr. Bao, face-to-face, or learning in a class?
In
What do you prefer? What do you like most?
casual writing.
Okay, for a moment.
Uh, I I like I like learning in a class.
Oh, in a class. Why, Mr. Bao?
Because I meeting as a pupil and learning any pupil.
Okay, yes, I agree with you, Mr. Bao. Not only that you will get information from your teacher, but as well as you will learn from your classmates. Okay, thank you so much for that. And I believe that would be all it for our class today, Mr. Bao. So next meeting will continue all of the activities. Thank you so much and have a restful evening, Mr. Bao. Goodbye, goodbye and good night.
Night teacher. Thank you. Thank you.